Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the WiiM Amp, a super compact and powerful amplifier designed to bring your audio experience to the next level. Whether you're using it for music, gaming, or just upgrading your sound system, this little device promises to sound with ease. So let's dive into what's inside the box. First up, let's take the cover off and get a look on the contents inside. As you can see, the packaging is clean and straightforward, giving us a sneak peek at all of the goodies. Alright, so here's the power cord, which is essential to get the WiiM Amp up and running. It's a standard power cable, so you should be able to easily plug it into any regular outlet. We'll set that aside for now. Next, let's check out the remote control. This little guy is perfect for controlling the WiiM Amp from a distance. It's a simple but effective. You'll notice that it requires two AAA batteries, so make sure to grab those before you get started. Now we have the HDMI cables. These are included for those who want to connect their WiiM Amp to their TV or other devices. Having these cables right out of the box make the setup really quick and easy. No need for a trip to the store. Along with the HDMI, we also have some additional cables, including an optical cable. The optical cable is great for getting a high-quality digital connection. And finally, here it is, the WiiM Amp itself. It's sleek, compact, and designed to fit seamlessly into your home audio setup. This little powerhouse can stream music, handle different audio sources, and offer a high-definition sound with minimal setup. Plus, it is really lightweight, so you won't have any issues with the placement. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you find this helpful or at least educational or perhaps entertaining. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for all of the future videos. Thank you and goodbye.